To our dashing MC, Mr. PJ Aranyador. And of course, good afternoon to all. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Let me mention our partners from the private sector, to our local chief executives and the development champions from the Cordillera region, to our ever-dedicated CAR team, DTI CAR team, of course, to our participating 30 MSMEs, our guests, and fellow public servants. On behalf of our Secretary Cristina Roque, let me greet everyone a warm and heartfelt afternoon from the Department of Trade and Industry. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. It is my great honor to join you this afternoon for the launch of the first ever mid-year edition of the IMPACABSAT 2025. This is a very iconic trade fair that continues to tell the story of reliance, creativity, and community spirit of the Cordilleran people. Since its humble beginnings after the devastating 1991 earthquake, IMPACABSAT has grown to become more than just a trade fair. It is now a celebration of the Cordilleran identity, a showcase of heritage and a platform for the MSMEs to bring their products from the highlands to the mainstream market. The very name IMPACABSAT, as what was explained to us earlier, it is a blend of the region's provinces, and the Ilocano word kabsat, meaning sibling, it reminds us actually of the deep sense of unity and the bayanihan that defines the spirit of the region. This year's theme, the flavors and colors, beautifully captures the heart of the Cordillera culture. The flavors represent the land. The land is fertile, rich, and full of tradition. And of course, the colors reflect the people, vibrant, innovative, and proud of their heritage. Together, they symbolize the dynamic and forward-looking spirit of the Cordilleran MSMEs. Today, we shine the spotlight on the 30 MSMEs from the regions. If the space were bigger, they could have brought more than 30. But our limitation is actually the space. They offer everything from hand-woven garments and bamboo crafts to heirloom foods and local coffee. These are not just products. They are stories. They are traditions and legacies carefully crafted by our entrepreneurs and communities. I would like to commend the Department of Trade and Industry Cordillera Administrative Region, led by R.D. Raymond Panhon. He is the youngest regional director of the Department of Trade and Industry all over the country. And sorry, R.D. Joey of Mimaropa, he is also the most pogi. Sorry, And by the way, our Cordillera team of regional director and assistant regional director, they are kind of unique because both of them are lawyers, and the only team of lawyers of RD and ARD in the entire DTI offices all over the country. So I'm really looking at them with keen eyes because I think they really can do miracles for the region. Of course, since R.D. Joey is here, I'm also looking at him because he's also newly minted DTI Regional Director of DTI Mimaropa. So, and for this strategic move, I commend them for this strategic move to host a mid-year edition of IMPACABSAT here at Shangri-La Plaza. So this is their first time to be here. Maybe they heard, that other regions of DTI came here And they had very, very good results of the trade fair. And at this point in time, I really would like to thank the management of Shangri-La Plaza for accommodating our regional offices. This is a big help to our MSMEs, and you do not know what it means to us. And by timing the trade fair earlier, we give, our MSMEs a better chance to connect with corporate buyers and institutional markets, especially as demand starts to rise for year-end sourcing. This is a proactive step that aligns with our push to broaden the market access and strengthen MSME competitiveness. Now for DTI, if you notice, almost every month we have trade fairs, and that is care of our BMDPO, or the Bureau of Domestic Market Promotion and Auto Office, under the Competitiveness and Innovation Group of ASEC Lala Bautista. Nandito na ba si ASEC Lala? But of course, our OIC Director of BMDPO is here, and together with his team, you watch out for all of these trade fairs every month. And every time I visit these trade fairs, I can always see the support of our local embassies. They are always there. Thank you very much for that. Maraming salamat po. It really means a lot, to us. And please invite your friends and your relatives to come over. It is very strategic to come here because our MSMEs, they brought the products themselves, and you can converse with them. What's the story behind every weave, and what's the story behind every product? And we are also excited to see the integration of our One Town, One Product next generation prototypes. Of course, the products and the MSMEs supported by our CARP group and the cafeteria, which features the region's world-class Arabica and Robusta varieties. By the way, it is only Cordillera that has this flagship store that we call the cafeteria. And they are featuring it here. I think it is somewhere here. Nakita ko kanina. It's there. No, it's right behind this board. And that's the cafeteria. Please try their coffee. It is one of the best in the Philippines. I encourage everyone to enjoy a cup of Cordillera coffee and taste the culinary offerings from the 6 provinces, all while supporting the artisans and the farmers behind them. Let us also appreciate the interactive skills. They are demonstrating this, and the cultural showcases like the batok. Kanina nakita ko yung batok, di ba? How do you call that? That tattoo. Parang hindi ko pa talaga kaya. But there are, for those of you who are strong enough and for you brave enough to do it, please do it. You can try it, no? That's locally called, that's locally called the batok. And of course, these activities not only enrich the fair, but also they try to educate and inspire, helping preserve Cordillera's indigenous knowledge for the future generation. And as we move forward, allow me to reaffirm the Department of Trade and Industry's strong commitment in advancing the MSME development in the Cordilleras. We will continue working closely with our regional offices and our partners to build entrepreneurial capacities, foster innovation, and create inclusive market opportunities, especially for the communities in the upland and hard-to-reach areas. This initiative is also in full support to the 5-point MSME agenda of our Secretary Maria Cristina Roque, namely digitalization, diversification, financing, franchising, mentoring, and learning. Under her leadership, we are embracing bold collaborations like this to create more inclusive economic opportunities. And Impakabsat is a shining example of that vision in action. To all our participating MSMEs, know that you are the pride of the Cordilleras. May this fair bring new networks, stronger sales, and lasting partnerships that will take your business to greater heights. There are visitors earlier who wanted to see what are the other opportunities for them to help our MSMEs, and I think we have come up with one target, which is really on the use of our shared services facilities budget for next year to help support the food producers of the region. And I hope that we will be able to pursue that, of course, together with our pinakabata na RD in the entire DTI history in the Philippines. And that is our RD Raymond Panhon. And once again, congratulations to DTI CAR and of course to all of our exhibitors. Together, let us continue celebrating the best of Cordillera, its flavors, its colors, and its people. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat.